How to earn money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can make money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to fiverraffiliates.com and you will get right here on Fiverr affiliates. Now, what is Fiverr? Well, Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can make money by freelancing and we can get clients, and it's a really good platform and very famous out there. But a lot of people do not know that Fiverr has its own affiliate program, which is one of the most easiest program out there, and it's free and you can simply make money with it, and that's what I will show you today. So let's get into it. Once you are on Fiverr affiliates, you will actually have to join the program, or you can log in if you already have an account on Fiverr. So if you're a completely new person, so you will actually have to join and click on join now, and here we can sign up. Now, signing up process is really easy. You can sign up by entering your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, account type. Now, in account type, you're going to go with a private one if you're working alone. But if you have a company, you can go with this option. Then we have, do you have main source of traffic? So you can select any source. Like, for example, if you work on YouTube or if you are a blogger, then you can just select yes. If you do not have a source of traffic, you can just select no. And then you have to enter your country and select your language. That's it. That's how we simply sign up for Fiverr affiliates. Once you do, this is where you will get after the initial sign up or login to your Fiverr affiliates. This is the main dashboard, and I'll show you how it works and how we do affiliate marketing on Fiverr affiliates. Before this, you will have to understand some of the commission plans available on Fiverr. So on Fiverr, we have a Fiverr CPA, which is going to be $15, 150 CPA. And then we have a Fiverr hybrid, which is $10 CPA plus 10% rev share. When it comes to promoting our products, we have a Fiverr business, Fiverr affiliates, Fiverr learn, and Fiverr workspace. So this is the percentage that we will be getting with each of the different commission plan. Then we have Fiverr Pro, which is going to be 150. Then we have like different niches, because Fiverr has a lot of different niches, and the niche we promote, the money is according to that. Like if you're promoting Fiverr Pro, then you're making the most. And if you are promoting any of the different programs from these niches, then you will be getting like $50. And then we have some of the other plans as well. So these are the commission plans on Fiverr, and you can select your favorite plan and then you can get to your dashboard. On our dashboard, we can see that we have, marketing tool, media report, registration report, and payment history. So the money we're making with affiliate marketing, because it's very easy, right? What you do is you will select your commission plan from here. Let's say that I want to promote Fiverr Pro, right? So I'll just go to my Fiverr dashboard now. We are here and I'm going to go to commission plan. In my commission plan, I can actually check the plans here as well, and you can see my percentage. So I'm going to go with Fiverr business. You can see CPA fixed CPA $100 I will be getting, and rev share is going to be 10%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, maybe select this one right here, or we can actually go with other plans as well. But this is one of the commission plans that I'm actually liking. So let's go to affiliate store. And here, once I have my product, then we have different promotions where we will actually promote our product. Now I have my commission plan and I want to actually, promote my Fiverr business, my Fiverr Pro. I have my affiliate product now. I have to select what kind of platform I am using. So I personally use YouTube. You can go with any other as well. So we will select YouTube from here. And Fiverr actually allows us to integrate our YouTube into our Fiverr affiliate so that they can actually, track direct progress with our YouTube. So you can see right here, now we have a lot of different helping tools that we get on Fiverr. So it allows us to actually grow our channel so that we can make the most out of the affiliate program. That is actually really good. That is why I like Fiverr affiliate program, because what happens is that I can not only, promote on YouTube, but it also gives me these different options that if I want someone to create thumbnails for me, or if I want to grow my channel, so they give me these ideas that I should go for so that I can get more traffic. And of course, it's a win-on-win situation for both of us, like Fiverr and me. Like they want to promote my YouTube channel, they will help me so that I can get more traffic and I can sell more affiliate pros and make money. And then of course, in return, they will be making money. So this is how it works, and we make money on Fiverr. So your earning report is shown right here, and this is actually one of the test affiliates that I have created, this account. So you can see no results found, but you will get all of your earning report right here. Then we can also have our sub affiliates if we want. We have our marketing tools given here. So if I go to marketing tools, it will show me different tools that I have added for my marketing on Fiverr affiliates. So it's really easy to make money on Fiverr. You will be able to check your balance right here. Now, the important question is that how to add a payment method, because that's also really important when it comes to an affiliate program. So I'm going to go to payment details right here, and you can see I have not added a payment method. You can just add it. And now I'm going to click on payment method, and you can see right here we have Wire, PayPal, and Payoneer. So it's like so easy. The payment methods are really easy when it comes to Fiverr. And I can simply go ahead and get a withdrawal really easily. So that is also really good. Our payment methods are really easy. Then we have our own dashboard right here again, which will give me like a review of my different marketing tools. It will give me my reports, my CTR, impressions, and the more clicks we get, the more likes we get on our affiliate links, and the more people will sign up for Fiverr, the more money I will be making, and then I can just withdraw it with my very easy payment method available on Fiverr. So if you are already into affiliate marketing, then you will realize that Fiverr is one of the most easiest affiliate marketing program out there, because the signing up process is really easy. And when it comes to a commission plan, we're actually getting a lot of different, commission plans here, and they're very easy for promotion. When it comes to promotion on Fiverr, as I told you, it helps you grow your channel as well with Fiverr.com, which I showed you in the start, because Fiverr is initially like a freelancing platform, right? But they also have like affiliate program for affiliate marketers like us who want to actually make more money with Fiverr affiliates. So this Fiverr actually allows you to make money from all sources, and you will be able to get your own dashboard, and you will be able to get all the reports for your Fiverr with your Fiverr affiliate here. So now you can just go ahead and sign up for Fiverr affiliate, start affiliate marketing. You can just go to the affiliate store, or you can just go to the commission plans, select your plan, promote your products on your YouTube, on your blog, on your Instagram, and then simply make money every time a person signs up with your affiliate link. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to earn money with Fiverr affiliates. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.